Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ezinne. Welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in today. So today I'll be showing you my spin on the Fox Eye makeup look. I really love it. And you know the drill as usual. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on that red button down there. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Alright guys, so let's just jump right in. So for this look, I think the focus really is more about the skin because the eye doesn't really take that much time. So I'm starting off with moisturizing my skin, and I use the ordinary niacinamide serum. For that, I'll just take a little bit and rub that into my skin. After that, I moisturize my lip with the Vaseline lip therapy. Guys, dry lip is a no-no, so always make sure you do that. Next, I'll be priming my skin, and I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip primer for this. Guys, I really love the way this primer feels on my skin. The only downside to it though is that it's not a mattifying primer, but I like the way it keeps your makeup on all day. After that, because I have really oily skin and this primer doesn't do much to keep my skin matte, I'm going with my Laura Mercier loose powder and just use that around the sides where I usually get the most oily. Next, I'll be doing my foundation, and this is a mix of the Blackup mattifying foundation and the Giorgio Armani luminous silk foundation. This mixture is perfection. Like guys, look at how it looks on my skin. So I first apply with a brush, and then I go in with a beauty blender to make sure everything is smooth and flawless. Next, I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way multi sculpting concealer, and this shade is really close to my skin. This is in the shade Chestnut. I'll use this around the place I want highlighted. You know the drill, guys. You should know the drill by now. Like, you should watch my if you haven't watched my foundation routine video, I'll leave a link for that. After which, I'll be using the Blackup No Transfer concealer. This is in the lighter shade, so I use that just on my immediate under eye area and the bridge of my nose. I'll blend this in with a beauty blender. Make sure everything looks like very seamless, very flawless. I just like this concealer because of the shade, number one, and because it's no transfer, it really doesn't move. Next, I'll be using the Bobbi Brown pressed powder, and this is in the shade golden orange, and a damp beauty blender. That's what I'll use to set all the places I highlighted. And then I'll use the Blackup pressed powder in the shade TW03. I'll use that to set the rest of my face. Guys, I really love the Blackup pressed powder. It's amazing. Alright, now I'm just gonna use the Fenty Beauty bronzer. Guys, really, I don't think I need to be explaining this. You guys should watch my foundation routine video. It's well detailed. I really don't need to be explaining this to you guys. Anyway, contouring my nose, my massive nose, but you know, we love it. Guys, are you feeling my braids though? Are you feeling it? I cried when I was doing these braids. Story for another day. Anyway, I'll start off the eye look. I did my brows off camera. I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette for this, but before that, I would go into my colored Raine Queen of Heart palette and take the light shade there for my teardrop area. Next, I'll use an angled brush and that really deep brown shade there, and start off by creating the wing. Angled brush is the best brush to use for this step, and in my opinion the best way to start this look is by creating the wing, because it's all about that lifted, you know, cat eye look. So that's the best way to start this look. So I start off with an angled brush and that brown shade from that deep brown shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glam palette. Now if you want this thing to come out really intense, if you want the shade to come out really intense, and I think it's way easier, you can spray your brush down with a setting spray. You can get your brush damp with a setting spray before picking up the product. That will make it the color payoff more intense. Yeah, so after I've created my wings, on the end of my, after I've created the wing part, I'm going to do the same thing on the beginning part of my eye, the inner, I'll call it the inner part of the eye, using the same angled brush. And that is why I did that teardrop area first, because I think it helps you when you're trying to create that effect in front. I think it helps, considering the fact that we are using an eyeshadow for this look. So I think that helps. So I'll create the wing and the ending and on the beginning part. Guys, it's raining, and if you can hear that in this video, I do apologize. After which I'm mixing up those two matte shades, and I'm taking a really fluffy brush. I'll just place that on my lid area. I'm not really concerned about it looking, you know, perfect or anything. I just want something on the lid area because I tend to crease a lot on my lid. Bear in mind, guys, I already primed my eyelid with a concealer. Very important, you need to do that. And then I also set it in with the powder. You need to do that as well. Sorry, I misplaced that footage. Anyway, I'm happy with the way that looks. I really don't need it to be precise or anything. I really don't want the color to come out so much. So I'm taking I'll leave the names of those brushes as well in the description box or somewhere on the corner of this video. So I'll go in with a very small pencil brush, and I'm just softening the lines of that wing I had created earlier. And then I'll go in with a big fluffy brush and then blend out as well. Guys, this eye look is very easy to create. Believe me when I say we are almost done. So I'm just softening the lines of that liner I did earlier. And then I'll go in with the fluffy brush and also blend it out to the crease area. I really don't want this to be dark. Going back in with that angled brush, I'm just using that brown shade again on my lash line area. After that, I go in with my with a black kohl pencil, and I have that on my waterline, and that's about it for this look, guys. So I'll do mascara, I'll do my false lashes off camera, and then I'll do the rest of my skin as well off camera, and that's about it, guys. This look is very easy to create, and it came out looking very, very gorgeous. I went to see a friend of mine after this, and she was really loving the way this came out. So guys, if you like this look, please give a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section down below, let me know what you think, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys. Do have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.